Welcome to the Coastal Craft Film channel. Today we are going to be installing this Glass Screen Pro Premium Tempered. So what I do with devices, I always use this tempered glass because it increases the longevity of the device. As you can see, previously this has a tempered case and there are some cracks on the screen. It's actually the crack on the glass, so let's remove this old tempered glass protector and I'll replace it with a new one. So let's see here. See, you can see there's, oops. There you go, I got it. See, you can see clearly that there are a lot of cracks in it. And also it's cracking while I'm removing it. See, oops. Not sure if you can see the cracks very good, but instead of impacting the tablet, it impacted this glass tempered case and protector. So let's open the new one. So this protector is for a Fire HD 10 2021 edition. First, what I'm going to do is get a disinfecting wipe, even though if this one would have a wet wipes, but just clean the surface really good, clean the back really good. Oh, I have dried the device. Now I'm going to open this box. So this protector comes in a very well built cardboard box. Okay, it comes with some accessories and instruction. So let's just go straight to the installation of the screen. So it actually comes with two. So I have opened one of the packaging and see what's inside it. So it came with like a cleaner, a screen cleaner. And double clean it, and there is also an alcohol cleaner, but I don't think I would need this because I already cleaned it using that cleaning thing. I have a dust absorber, so let's use a dust absorber. Let's try to remove all dust in here. This is an important step to make sure you don't get any dust in your installation. So okay, so that is good. I usually don't use a guide sticker. I just play it by hand. So let's open up the screen protector. Alright, so here is the tempered glass. So as you can see, just line up the hole on the camera and the sticker and line them up completely. So let me try to do that. As I usually do the installation, I just line up the edges and then line up the camera on top. I'll just show you when I finish lining it up. You lined up the thing, just press it to release the bubbles. As you can see, I'm doing it right now. I'm just letting it do its own thing. Still got a few bubbles. So when you see those bubbles, what you can do is you can redo it and try to remove, like for this instance, there is like a little bit of dust in there and you have to remove it. So I'm just gonna open it up. I think this is a better one. So I've removed the little dust speck so I'm not getting much bubbles in the middle. So that's it. That's how you install the tempered premium glass protector for a Fire HD10. And I'm just going to put it back in its case, and we're done. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next one. Bye.